Hi guys! Today we will see how to make an election-themed banner in BannerBoo. So, set the banner size and click Let's Go. Now let's add the background. We will make it as a combination of an image and a gradient. In order to add an image, go to the image library and type what we're looking for in the search box. We click on the desired image to add it to the canvas, transform it. With the help of menu effects, we blur the image a little. Now, let's incorporate a gradient that imitates the appearance of a flag or any symbolic colors. Go to the menu of Vector Objects and choose a gradient. In the gradient menu, change the angle of inclination and add variation of the desired colors. How to work with a gradient we analyzed in one of the previous videos. You'll find a clickable link in the top right corner of the screen. Now reduce the opacity of the gradient to 60%. Now, let's add our candidate. For this, we go to the Uploads menu and to Upload Image, click Upload Your Own Assets. But I've done it already, so I just add the image to the banner. Click on the image and then click on the eraser icon to remove the background. Now transform the image. Let's add a small darkening in blue with the help of a gradient. It will bring back a little overlapped color, and will also make further elements more visible. Great! Now let's add the text. Go to the text menu and select the preferred font. We also adjust the color, thickness, and size of the font. For additional text, a quick method is to create a duplicate. Now let's move the text downward the layers to ensure it doesn't overlap with our main object. Duplicate the text on the timeline once more, this time placing it higher in the layers above the main object. Super! Now let's add a button using a gradient. If you need a step-by-step guide on this process, our previous video on working with gradients provides a detailed analysis of exactly how to achieve it. Now let's animate our banner. We stretch our background and image on the timeline for 10 seconds. We set the button for 1 second and also pull it out to 10. We set the animation to slide down. But in Out Animation, go to Custom and edit it. We put Easing Ease in and the top parameter will be reduced to 1000. This will make the button disappear more smoothly. Set the pulsation animation to pulse. In the background image, let's maximize in and out animation. For animation, go to Custom, set the left parameter to 100 and Easing Ease in out. Duplicate the same in Out Animation. Now, we will place our text in a ladder through one mark this way. We stretch the animation of the first word almost to the end. At the end, we also make stairs in the same order, but at half the mark. Now we select all the text with the pressed Shift key to add animation on the entire text at once. In the animation, select Slide Left, and Out Animation select Slide Right. For a smoother animation, navigate to the custom parameters. In the In animation, adjust the left parameter to 600. We do the same in the Out animation, but we also change the easing to ease in. Cool! Don't forget to save the banner by pressing Ctrl S. Now let's review the result. You can find the banner template and its resizes at the link under the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day, and see you in the next videos.